Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM Certified 2017 Buick Enclave Leather Group all-wheel drive, stock number Z7021XX. 23,000 miles on this Enclave comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Quicksilver metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. This Enclave seats 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, the fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, and rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power lift gate for convenience. Ample storage space behind the third row, 60/40 split seat, folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Enclave has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control and heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50 to 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7021XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.